Why detox your body? For millions of years, nature has regenerated itself over and over, recovering from the worst disasters and environmental pollution. Every biological organism, from a single cell to the human body, has this regenerative capacity. As humans, we are only capable of survival because our bodies developed a perfect cleansing and detoxification system. However, modern life, with its alcohol, tobacco, and industrialized foods, have pressed the body's detox system to its limits. Our bodies are almost overwhelmed by the amount of toxins we are exposed to and must eliminate. For this reason, detoxification of the body is more critical than ever.
The problem with conventional detoxification methods is their dependency on the flawless functioning of the liver and kidneys.
immer darauf angewiesen sind, dass die Ausscheidungsorgane, sprich Leber und Nieren, tadellos funktionieren.
However, usually the liver and kidneys are debilitated because people don't drink enough water and are exposed to too many pollutants. Thus, these organs are no longer fully functional and cannot eliminate toxins properly. The toxins are released into the matrix and are transported and stored elsewhere in the body.
Durch den Körper transportiert und woanders wieder eingelagert.
Toxins ingested in our food pass through the small intestine to the liver. The liver decomposes the unwanted and sometimes toxic substances and excretes water-soluble toxins through the kidneys. Fat-soluble toxins are delivered to the gallbladder. The colon, lungs, and skin also play an important role in the elimination of waste. Since our body is not used to an increased supply of toxins, it cannot dispose of all of them, and they are stored partially in our bone, body fat, and hair.
We read over and over again that food contains too many pesticides, insecticides, preservatives, and dyes. Many of these additives migrate through the intestinal wall and disperse into the tissues. Just imagine a fishbowl in which goldfish are swimming. The goldfish are our cells and the water is the environment. The fish nourish themselves through the water. The water supplies oxygen and the fish release CO2 into the water. The same is true for every single cell in the human body. Nowadays, almost everyone suffers from food intolerance. The question is, to what extent? It's no longer a question of yes or no, of either I eat this and have a reaction or I don't. We are dealing with a gradual intolerance in which I can only eat certain amounts of a particular food, or I live with intolerances that remain mostly undetected. A rash is easily identified as the symptom of an allergy, but such symptoms as fatigue, stress, headache, and digestive problems are not so easily explained. There are many possible reasons.
As a result, so many chronic conditions nowadays, up to and including cancer, dominate many families' day-to-day lives. People end up taking more pharmaceuticals, which in turn results in even more negative side effects.
Broken if people take preventive care of their liver, kidneys, and digestive tract. Everyone needs to take care of these organs, which, when properly cared for, can function as regulators.